In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a live webinar using Kajabi in just 5 minutes. It's perfect for anyone looking to connect with their audience live and share valuable content. We'll take it step by step to ensure you get everything set up smoothly without any hassle. First things first, head over to kajabi.com. This is where the magic happens and where you'll manage everything related to your webinar. Once you're there, keep your eyes on the upper right corner. You should see the login button. Give that a click. Now, logging in is pretty straightforward. You can either use your email or sign in with a Google account, whichever is most convenient for you. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your Kajabi dashboard. This is where you'll access all the features and options Kajabi offers to create and manage your webinar. Before diving into the technical setup, think about your webinar platform. Are you using Zoom, YouTube, or another service? This decision will guide how you set up the rest of your webinar in Kajabi. Once you've chosen, it's time to schedule your event. Here's where the fun begins. On your Kajabi dashboard, look for the marketing section. From there, navigate to funnel and then select plus new funnel. It's a simple and intuitive way to organize and manage your entire webinar process, from registration to follow-up. Next, it's time to choose a template. If you're hosting your webinar via Zoom, select the Zoom webinar funnel. Alternatively, if you're using YouTube, look for a similar template tailored to that platform. These templates are designed to streamline your process and make sure everything is integrated seamlessly. With your template in hand, it's time to fill in the details. You'll need to enter a title for your webinar, the link where participants can join, the date and time of the event, and any offers or products you might want to present to your audience. This is also the stage where you can tailor your messaging to reflect your brand and the needs of your audience. Once you've entered all the necessary details, it's time to click Generate Funnel. Doing this will automatically create the essential pages for your webinar, the registration page, thank you page, and the webinar page itself. This automated step ensures that you're not wasting time setting these up manually. Now, with the basics in place, you have the opportunity to customize and enhance your webinar funnel further. Kajabi allows you to tweak designs, change text, and add any additional information that can personalize the experience for your attendees. Spend a little time making these pages represent your brand's unique look and feel. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've gone through the process of setting up a live webinar on Kajabi. It's a powerful tool to connect with your audience and share your expertise live. So why wait? Dive in, set up your webinar, and enjoy interacting with your audience in real time. Thanks for tuning in and happy hosting.